Hi guys, John here. It's been a couple of weeks since I made a video, so I had a friend of mine died and I had to go to California for a week or so. So anyway, I'm back now and we can continue with our number 2 video on learning math for electricity. So there's 4 things that you need to know, and you need to memorize these, and they make them a lot easier. So here they are. Power in watts. Okay. Voltage in force. Okay, in volts. Amps in current. And resistance in ohms. So anyway, those are the main characters that you need to deal with. P, E, I, and R. Those 4. P, power in watts. Watts. Okay. E, electromotive force. Force, volts. Okay, if you get shocked with 50 volts, it doesn't hurt very bad. If you get shocked with 150 volts, you feel it pretty good. So there's a big difference in force. Okay, amps is the amount of current that's going down a line, and they're all tied together. If you have so many volts, you're going to have so many amps, and it's going to push through so much resistance. So all 3 or all 4 are all tied together. So if you know 2, you can get the other 2. So it's pretty simple. And take a 100-watt light bulb. Of course, we don't have those anymore, but we used to. A 100-watt light bulb was 110 volts, 120 volts divided by the wattage. It's going to give you the amps. And the amps was like 0.8 or something like that. So anyway, yeah, you'll have to go into fractions, of course, but they're real easy to know. Those 4 calculations, and the way you write them down, look at the front page of the ugly. PE at the top, and IR is at the bottom. So E is on top of IR. So E divided by I or divided by R, either one will give you the other. So it's pretty simple. Just go back to this and review it a couple of times and you'll get it. It's not that difficult. So anyway, the ugly. Everything you're going to need is right on the front cover. So let's hope everyone got an ugly. And it's not too ugly, but there's a picture of a bulldog on it. So whoever made the book thinks that the bulldog is ugly. I don't know. I think he's kind of cute myself. But anyway, this is a 2017 edition, which isn't the current one. The current one is 2024 or 2025. So we're going to start with E over IR. We're going to leave P out of it for right now. So E, electromotive force in volts. I amps, R ohms. Okay. So as you can see by this print, E is over I or R. So if you have E over I, it equals R. If you have E over R, it equals I. Pretty simple. Okay? So if you take E times I, you get P, power. So that's pretty simple also. And P divided by I equals E. So if you have power and current, you just divide the two and you get volts. So work on those and see if you can memorize P, E, I, and R. And next time we come on the camera, we'll do some calculations. Okay, thanks.